Hello HSU. Follow along here for the Keep Teaching Canvas Basics, Creating and Organizing Content in Canvas. This will be an overview of Zoom use in your course, Canvas pages and the use of links and more, Canvas modules and the use of content, activities, and more, as well as support resources to help you get help easily. This session builds upon the Canvas basics by focusing on the creation of content in Canvas to support learning and teaching. You will be introduced to a variety of Canvas tools designed to help you meet your needs. Upon completion of this workshop, you will be able to locate Zoom support resources, use a Canvas page with links to content, and use a Canvas module with content. Keep in mind that you have specific HSU support resources. It is suggested that you go to campus websites for information. For example, the Keep Teaching site, the Keep Learning site, the CTL Canvas site, and the Canvas guides. The Keep Teaching site is specific for instructors and will be updated throughout the disruption. It includes resources and instructional sessions, as well as tutorials for all instructors. The Keep Learning website is geared towards students to help them keep learning at HSU. First, taking care of their health, second, getting the right technology and help, and third, taking care of their education on a variety of topics. This tutorial will give you your options. It's best practice in building your course from the ground up to start with the course setup checklist. As well, you can import an HSU template from the Canvas Commons. The CTL has the Keep Teaching template available there. When you're designing your Canvas course, you have options. You can look at Zoom and the use of meeting rooms, links in Canvas connecting students to Zoom, and other Zoom options. As well, you have Canvas pages, which include many capabilities. One of those is direct links in pages. And lastly, you have Canvas modules, the overall architecture designed by Canvas to include your course content. You can see all of this in the overview, and you can see how to add or use modules. Do you have questions? You have support resources. Keep an eye out on the Keep Teaching website. Contact the Center for Teaching and Learning directly at extension 4461 or at ctl@humboldt.edu. And you can also reach the help desk at extension 4357 or via help@humboldt.edu.